Greetings and welcome to our latest listing here in the coveted Wedgwood neighborhood. This super cute house is one that I'm really excited to share with you, so let's go have a look. You'll enjoy this light and bright floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms and 1 3/4 baths. You'll appreciate the fresh paint, refinished hardwoods, new LVP floors in each bathroom, and new carpet in the primary. This home is ready and waiting for your personal touches. So this house is as cute as a button, am I right? But how about this lot? At nearly 6,500 square feet, it has all the space you need to play, relax, entertain. Just imagine the possibilities back here. Hey, thank you so much for joining me today. Call my team today for a private tour. Cheers.